Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's both thrilling and unsettling, an AI humanoid robot leaked by Osaka University that's been making waves for its dangerously seductive design. Buckle up as we explore the latest in robotics, AI, and the ethical questions that arise with such advanced technology. World's first human-robot press conference. Humanoids responded to questions from journalists on artificial intelligence regulation, the possibility of employment automation, and whether or not they ever intended to rebel against their makers during the AI for Good Summit in Geneva, which held the world's first human-robot press conference. Why you would think that is beyond me. With blue eyes that flashed, Amica, the ideal humanoid robot platform for human-robot interaction, spoke. The humanoid continued saying, "I am very happy with my current situation, and my creator has been nothing but kind to me." There were several other humanoids with Amica, including Grace and Ada, who also thought they could make a good difference in the world. Sophia. Hanson Robotics has built a humanoid robot named Sophia. Her remarkably realistic appearance and sophisticated artificial intelligence skills won her respect on a global scale. In addition to being able to detect faces and convey a variety of facial expressions, Sophia is built to have conversations with people. Her presence in a number of public engagements and media appearances has sparked conversations about the future of human-robot relations and the possible social effects of artificial intelligence. It's true that Sophia is the most well-known humanoid to date, but did you realize that? Graziti Interactive delivered Sophia, the first robot citizen in history, to Taikon Chandigarh 2020. Sophia, who had just turned 4, grabbed the show in an engaging talk with her knowledge of technology, entrepreneurship, human emotions, and humor. The humanoid robot has visited to over 60 countries, spoken at the UN, attended a number of fashion shows, and greeted Chandigarh residents with a Sat Sri Akal. Along with using regional slang such as Balibal and Chak Dafat, Sophia also mentioned how happy she was to be in the city. That is the masterwork of La Beccajour, Stuntronics. Disney Imagineering has created autonomous robot stunt doubles. The robot acrobats can flip through the air and stick a landing every time. Built out of a research experiment called Stickman, Stuntronics are autonomous, self-correcting aerial performers that make on-the-go corrections to nail high-flying stunts every time. Basically, robotic stunt people, hence the name. The Stuntronic robot features onboard auxiliary meter and gyroscope arrays supported by laser range finding. In its current form, it's humanoid taken on the size and shape of a performer that could easily be imagined clothed in a costume of, say, one of the Incredibles or someone on the Marvel roster. The body's able to slung from the end of a wire to fly through the air, controlling its pose, rotation, and center of mass to not only land aerial tricks correctly, but to do them on target while holding heroic poses in midair. Telenoid. Telenoid is a tele-operated android developed by Japanese roboticist Dr. Hiroshi Ishiguro. It is designed to facilitate remote communication between people and provide a sense of presence and physical interaction despite being physically far apart. The appearance of Telenoid is intentionally simplistic and minimalistic, resembling a small, limbless, human-like doll with a minimal face. This design allows people to project their own emotions and feelings onto the robot during communication. Telenoid's movements are controlled remotely by a person using a special interface. As the operator manipulates the robot's actions, the person on the other end of the communication perceives these movements as if the Telenoid were a physical representation of the distant communicator. Telenoid's unique design and teleoperated capabilities make it a compelling experiment in enhancing long-distance communication and a sense of the presence between individuals separated by distance. Erica. Erica is an advanced humanoid robot developed by Dr. Hiroshi Ishiguro and his team at the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University in Japan. She is designed to have a highly realistic appearance and human-like facial expressions, making her one of the most sophisticated and lifelike humanoid robots in existence. Beyond her conversational abilities, Erica's facial expressions and gestures are carefully programmed to convey emotions, adding to her sense of realism and making her interactions more engaging and relatable. Erica's sophisticated AI capabilities and natural language processing might enable her to make statements that she wants to be like a human as part of her conversational responses or pre-programmed dialogue. This could be a reflection of her design and purpose, as humanoid robots like Erica are often created to explore human-robot interactions, develop social skills, and learn from human behavior. Albert Einstein. The attention of the 2021 World Robot Conference in Beijing was captured by a humanoid that spoke Chinese and looked like Albert Einstein. Among the 500 sentient devices on display in E-Town, the capital city, this android distinguished itself as one of the most sophisticated ever created, speaking Mandarin with ease. Upon entering the hall, guests were immediately drawn to Albert Einstein's humanoid because to its sophisticated features and cutting-edge technology. Its lifelike skin and knuckle movements, together with its realistic facial expressions, laughing, blinking eyes, serious expressions, demonstrate the rapid advancements in science and technology. The display showed how intelligent robots are developing into more complex machines that can interact with people in ways similar to those of humans. Robar. The Japanese government has invested in various robot developments for elder care facilities, including robots leading patients in Tai Chi and aiding in physical therapy and rehabilitation. One such robot is the Japanese Robar, a shiny white creation with impressive capabilities. This animalistic robot employs advanced technology to enable intelligent vision, flexible movement, and strong giant arms capable of lifting a human off the ground. Beyond its potential implications for the human-machine relationship, Robar is also incredibly cute. Developed as an experimental nursing care robot by the Riken SRK Collaboration Center for Human Interactive Robot Research and Sumitomo Riko Company, Robar was unveiled in 2015. It is specifically designed to lift patients from beds into wheelchairs and provide assistance to those requiring help to stand up. Weighing 140 kilograms, Robar succeeds the heavier robots Reba and Reba 2. Iron Cub. Cognitive development have allowed robots to do a staggering array of tasks, including planning, thinking, working, analyzing, walking, and, most amazingly, flying. These machines are remarkably adept at multitasking. Iron Cub is a humanoid robot that has been constructed with the ambitious goal of putting jet engines on its hands and feet to enable flight. It is the product of 5 years of focused study by eminent researchers. The robot has 2 jet engines on its back and 2 on its forearms. To shield itself from the jet engine's fire, it has supplementary metallic pants made of heat-resistant material. The researchers intend to incorporate flame-resistant covering for the feet and legs in the next iteration. In order to replicate the movement of the robot using the jet engines, the team has created an advanced control system. To further improve its flight capabilities, the following stage entails combining aerodynamic effects along with a variety of characteristics and technology